Start. Honorable members, urban transport infrastructure is being created to cater to present and future requirements. While developing infrastructure, attention is also being given to addressing the challenges posed by pollution. My government is developing a transport system which is not only fast and safe but is also environment friendly. For this, special emphasis is given to public transport. Metro rail network is being expanded rapidly in several cities. The facility of One Nation, One Card has been launched to realize the dream of seamless mobility. Similarly, electric vehicles are being promoted to reduce vehicle pollution. The network of electric charging stations is also being expanded rapidly. Modern amenities like gas grid and highways are being developed at a rapid pace. PNG based domestic fuel and CNG based transportation systems are being developed. In modern India, we are according a special emphasis on production of biofuel. Prior to 2014, about 67 crore liters of ethanol was being blended. This year, we have set a target of about 270 crore liters for ethanol blending. Enhancing the use of blended ethanol will not only benefit our farmers but also safeguard the environment. Further, it will reduce import of petroleum products, thus saving foreign exchange. My government is fully devoted to make the flow of Ganga uninterrupted and pollution free. Recently, encouraging evidence of revival of aquatic life at several locations along Ganga has been reported. This year, during the Earth Kumbh in Prayagraj, the cleanliness of Ganga and amenities provided to the devotees have made news throughout the world. My government has enhanced the dignity and self esteem of every person who contributed towards the successful organization of Earth Kumbh by honoring them. Under the Namami Gange scheme, my government will further accelerate the campaign for closure of drains releasing effluents in the river Ganga. On the lines of river Ganga, the government will also endeavor to clean up others rivers such as Kaveri, Narmada, Yamuna, and Godavari. My government is making earnest efforts for conservation of forest. wildlife, and the environment. In recent years, forest and tree cover has increased by more than 1%. During the last 5 years, protected areas in the country have also increased. In 2014, the number of protected areas in the country was 690, which has now gone up to 868. To address the challenges posed by air pollution, National Clean Air Program